Alright, what's going on, guys? Right here at Bird's Hot Chicken. I'm gonna try it out. I had Dave's, it's pretty good, but this place is pretty close to my house. It's Bird's Hot Chicken. Saw it on Instagram. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're at Dave's. Check this out. Oh. It looks pretty nice. It comes with a potato salad. It looks like some kind of Cajun fries. Pretty nice. Looks like maybe there's secret sauce going on here. And I had them go easy on the coleslaw because I'm not too big on it. So this is a chicken tender right here. We're just gonna go into it, you know. So right now I got Dave's pretty high. I got Dave's at number 1 so far. So I'm gonna try this one out. It's Bird's Hot Chicken over here in Corona, McKinley, and let's have at it.
We opened carry without a seat challenge. We go. Oh, what? This is all I did. You know how I knew you came from Texas? Dr. Becker.
Is it?
Like temperature wise.
Oh. Oh yeah, I know. Fucking touch feels awesome, bro.
We're gonna try the Cajun fried chicken. Chicken sandwich. It's pretty temperature wise. It's pretty hot right now. And here's my thing, right? It has to be Cajun fries, right?
It's Cajun fries for sure. But I feel, dude.
Five Guys has Cajun fries.
Yeah, but they're not
everyone else.
But they don't have crinkly fries.
No, but they just taste better.
Did you dip the sauce yet?
I have not dipped the sauce yet. Is it good?
That's good. I like the sauce.
What do you recommend for me?
What does it taste like? Like a barbecue going on?
It's kind of southwesty.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
It's nice. Okay, let's try it out.
It's tangy too, but it goes good with the fries. That initial flavor that I got, it was that mayo flavor that I hate, dude. I hate it. But then it kicked you at the very end, which I really enjoyed. That's good. Well, you don't like white sauce, so
I don't, but I'm growing on it. So far I haven't. We'll do one more bite. Because the spice level for a medium is actually pretty spicy for this. And I'm actually enjoying it. It's not bad. Chicken sandwich, I'd give it a...
this is a tough one. I mean, it's good.
I think a 6.5 is probably a good answer for me. And I wouldn't put Dave's Hot Chicken so far above this. I think I'd give Dave's probably 7.5 because I think there's just so much hot chicken to try that I can't give it a really high number until I try more. But look at this potato salad, right? Check that out. And it looks like they use red potatoes, the little tiny ones. Pretty cool. It does feel a little tough when I jabbed it a little bit. They have a nice presentation on it. You're right, it is missing something.
I don't know what it is though.
Maybe some pepper. Because it looks like they got some parsley in here. I like pepper.
I fucking love
I
that.
love pepper. It's not bad. It's good.
Hey, bro, my kid has these same shoes, bro. You don't take them.
I like the little red
Older than you.
potatoes. It's a little different.
Red potatoes are fire.
It's good. So far, I enjoy it. Bird's is really good. It's close by. Location, I mean, it doesn't get really packed, but there's some people in there, so it's a little busy. So far, treatment has been really good. Oh, I also got a shake. Let's try this out.
chocolate.
I think this fucking heat's kicking in.
Oh, the medium's hot for you.
It's getting a little warm, yeah. I don't know if it's good. The fried salmon. I don't know.
This chocolate tastes weird.
Is it?
Yeah, it tastes weird. I don't know what it doesn't taste like. You want to try it?
Yeah, happy birthday from the fries and nuggets. The fries and nuggets? Yeah, happy birthday.
It doesn't taste like.
It's a rich chocolate.
Is that what it is?
It's a rich
I
chocolate.
don't like it then.
It's a rich chocolate.
Okay.
It's not bad.
This is rich chocolate, but it's not super sweet in my opinion, even though it's rich.
That makes sense.
If anyone's tried Dave's Hot Chicken or any hot chicken place, try out Byrd's. You can see them on Instagram. I'll tag them down below. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the food, finish it up, and I'll catch you guys after. All right, we just finished at Byrd's Hot Chicken. What do you think, Justin?
It's pretty good.
What do you give it? 1 out of 10.
Give it a 6.5.
So-
There's so many other places, dude. There's too many other places to
Right.
give this a high number.
And you
But
like Dave's Hot Chicken
But
too,
it was
right?
good. Yeah, it was
Okay.
good.
So
This is a
yeah.
7 for sure.
I'm on the same boat. So we both got medium hot chickens. It came with potato salad. Sorry I didn't record that much. There's people in there. I'm still a little nervous about that. And then I got the chocolate shake. Okay, it wasn't that good. It tasted really weird. It wasn't as sweet as I wanted to, but I don't need it, right? The one thing I complain that Dave does better is the bun to chicken ratio. There was not enough chicken for that much bun. Yeah, they give you like a slab of a chicken tender and bun. Flavor wise, I enjoyed it. I come back. It was good. The sauce you get, pretty fire. And it's really good with those Cajun fries. But that bun to chicken ratio, damn, Dave's Hot Chicken gives you 2 chicken strips. It fills the whole bun up. But yeah, a good 6.5. Experience was great. The environment was awesome. I love the lighting. That was one thing that caught my eye. Their logo's pretty cool. But other than that, I'll be back. I won't get that chocolate shake anymore. Probably like a strawberry, try vanilla. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. You know what time it is. I'll see you guys when I see you.